need to get the fuck out of here before they call the police. Alright, cameraman, where are you? Hey, look at me, Fiesta ST boy racer. I'm gonna go pick up some 14-year-olds, mate. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel here. It's your boy Shamsi. Now today we are going to be doing all the mods that I've done to my Fiesta ST. And there's a lot of mods, so let's get straight into it. Gloss black mirror caps, it makes the car look very nice and shiny, makes it look a bit more modern. Down here, mate. Second mod that we got is the Rotor Blitz from Rotor. Now I think these are 17.5 by 8.5J. I think I fucked up the measurements, but you know, it is what it is. They're sick wheels, and complementing the sick wheels, we got some 25mm spaces on these bad boys just to make it a bit more flush, you know what I'm saying? But you know, that's the mod. So we got 25mm all round, wrapped in some cheap budgets because I can't afford Pilot Sport 4s. Sad. Anyway, we got a Scorpion non-res 3-inch catback exhaust, right? Now, let me tell you, this is the second quietest system on the market, and yeah, it does the goddamn job. When you want it to be loud, you just put your foot down. If you want to drive sensibly and normal, you just drive normally. You ain't got, it's not too loud, it's cheeky. Like, the car's on right now. Obviously, it might sound a bit loud because obviously, you know, backing. Now, the second modification that we got is these bulbs here from RJH Auto Style. Now these bulbs, they are bright. If you haven't seen the video, go click the video. Everything will be in the description for that video. Now if you come over to the interior of the vehicle, don't get my reg because my car's illegal. We got a G key. Obviously follow me on the gram, you get me. Obviously we got some auto beam lights. Ignore the dirty car, man, it's been a long winter, mate. Auto beam, about 200 colors or some shit. And obviously shout out to RJ Auto Style. We do have a short shifter in here, you guys won't be able to see it, but obviously this is all done by OEM Plus. They're on Facebook. Link for the videos will be in the description, and it will pop up above or wherever or some shit. And we've got a cheeky boost gauge over there to the right where the driver's side is. So if you wanna, we'll come back around, fuck it. RJ Auto Style, shout out to man them. Cool. We come over to the front now. It looks completely stock, so obviously I'm going for the stock look because obviously, you know, little sleeper vibes, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I got the bumper painted back. Like, what crack where, bro? Let's pop the bonnet. Stay there, mate. Pop the bonnet. Quick and short video, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you guys for too long. Like I said, I'm gonna be incorporating some comedy in this bitch. So if you like comedy, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
We got a induction kit from RJ Auto Style. Now, bro, wicked. We got a fat filter here. Obviously, we gotta get some badges here. Don't worry. We got some engine bay dress up kit over here. I need to get some new ones because it's all fat. Obviously, every Fiesta knows about the goddamn tabs breaking. Yeah. Anyway, we got the strut brace here, nice and firm. It's not bouncing in my hand, it's firm. That's just the camera shaking. And yeah, it's fucking stage 2 TRS. It's bloody fast, and I know you guys want to hear some revs. So this is what it sounds like from the engine bay. We don't want to put in the place now. So that's the engine bay, mate. Now if you go over to the back, cameraman, hurry up, man. Get to the fucking back. Get to the back of the Fiesta, fucking thing. Cool, look at that white smoke. No, it's not a head gasket, it's just fucking cold. Here's another one, mate. We need to get the fuck out of here before they call the police. Alright, cameraman, where are you? fucking loud. All right, mate. Hold that shit. Point the camera to me. Okay, so we're gonna skedaddle because we pop and bang and there's nobody in this car park, and I just know for a fact the police are on their bullshit this year. So without further ado, let's go, man. Get in the car. Behind the scenes. Police. Get in. Where's my stand? I lost my stand. No, my stand is there. Shit, hold that. I don't know how to get out yet, but let's get the fuck out of here, bruv. Wait, I don't know which way. Safety first. Seatbelt's always on.
Put the seatbelt on.
Huh? Man, give the bumper clock seatbelt, dog. Come on, mate, put that shit in. Alright. So if you guys are wondering, this is the raw me. This is how I act every single day. I try to keep it professional last year, but you know what, yeah. Fuck it. Let's get the fuck out of here, mate. Hey, look at me, Fiesta ST boy racer. I'm gonna go pick up some 14-year-olds, mate. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh shit, I'm tired. Anyway, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.